Filken introduced to you with our latest Filken Ultra D outdoor water filter. Ultra D Z6Pro, which equipped with Ultra D membrane. Tons of dirts and bacterials are still found in tap water despite of intensive filtering. So, how Ultra filtration system works? With Ultra D membrane, it removes minute particles as 0.01 micron in tap water through multiples filtration and remains mineral and calcium. To avoid misappropriation by other merchants, Filken has its own authentic logo. And 304 stainless steel is used for anti-rust purpose. Ultra D Z6 Pro also equipped with manometer to check water pressure. No tool is needed for installation with the usage of butterfly clip. To give a neat and tidy look, Filken has came out with hidden stainless steel pipe. Not only them, with hot flushing valve, it allows backwashing. Ultra D Z6 Pro provide aesthetic look, easy installation and easy maintenance. Filken are ready to serve you and guarantee your water quality. Ultra D Z6 Pro, Malaysia #1 outdoor filtration system. Stay hydrated and experience the beauty.